as if it was really that easy for me to get over you.
The Oklahoma Highway Patrol has issued an Amber Alert at the request of Marshall County Sheriff's Department. Amber Alert is for a child, Abby Carter, white female, 14 years of age. Last seen wearing blue jeans and a black jacket. The child was carrying an unknown colored backpack. Suspect is Amy Payne, a white female, 43 years of age. We have no vehicle description at this time. Child was last seen in Kingston, Oklahoma. Today's date at approximately 3 p.m. If suspect or child are located, do not approach and call 911.